Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change phone number on your Facebook account. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's open up the Facebook app, go to the menu icon, go to your profile, tap on add profile, tap on edit your about info, and here you can see contact info. If you want to change your number, tap on edit, and here you can see your number. Now here you can see add new contact. Tap on add mobile number, and here you can simply tap another mobile number, whatever it is, and just tap on change and you will be able to change your Facebook number. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.